What's up everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a powerful AI sidekick specifically designed for the classroom, then you've come to the right place. Because today we are doing a deep dive into Twee AI. This is my completely honest Twee AI review, where we'll break down if it truly is the best AI for teachers in 2025, looking at all its features, its pricing, and of course the pros and cons. So let's just jump right into it. Twee is an AI-powered platform built from the ground up to help English teachers save a massive amount of time on lesson planning and material creation, right from its homepage. It promises to generate questions for YouTube videos, create reading passages on any topic, whip up dialogues, and so much more. The core of Twee lies in its vast toolkit. You can start from scratch by generating a text on any theme you can think of and then instantly create a variety of exercises. Is its ability to work with video. You can paste a YouTube link and it will generate a transcript and create comprehension questions in seconds, saving you hours. It also excels at creating discussion questions, finding interesting facts, and generating homework assignments. Now let's talk about the pricing and the cons. Twee operates on a subscription model with a free plan that gives you a limited number of generations per day. The biggest con, however, is that it is currently hyper-specialized. It is built specifically for English teachers focusing on reading, writing, speaking, and listening. So if you teach another subject like science or math, its utility drops significantly. Also, as with any AI, the output sometimes needs a little tweaking and editing to perfectly fit your class dynamic. Twee, the best AI for teachers in 2025. If you are an English teacher looking to dramatically cut down your prep time and generate engaging content on the fly, then absolutely yes, without a doubt, its targeted tools are a game changer for that specific niche. But if you're outside of that niche, it might be too specialized for your daily needs. There are 4 main subscription tiers for Twee. It starts with a free Twee trial offering 5 trial runs for most tools, 500 audio credits. The first paid plan is Twee Basic at $650 per month, billed annually, which includes 100 runs per month for core tools and 2,500 audio credits. For more advanced features, the Twee Pro plan costs $10.50 per month, billed annually, and provides unlimited runs for basic tools, 100 runs for media tools, 5,000 audio credits, and unlocks all pro tools, like the CEFR level checker, audio/video conversion, and export functions. Finally, for institutions, there is a custom Twee Schools plan that includes features for multiple teachers, offers 7,500 audio credits, and adds personal support. Thanks for watching.